Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Halo Mini is one of the Mark VII Spartans. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with the undersuit with a coating of Doom Death's black. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Getting the mid-tone in on the undersuit and a complete base coat on the rifle now, I went around with lead grey. Finishing off the undersuit, I went around with the edges with English grey. For the rifle, this is used as the mid-tone, just leaving that lead grey in the recesses. To get a quick highlight on the rifle, I grabbed pale grey and just pulled up the edges and flat panels facing the light. Now the underlayer is all finished, I get started on the armor panels. These all get a once over with Berserker red as the shadow color. Getting the mid-tone onto the armor, I used Sanguine Scarlet. I went over a few places with a second coat, as this is a fairly translucent paint, so that second coat just brings up those parts a little bit more. Finishing off the red part of the armor, I added a highlight with Demon Red. This is around the sharper edges and the parts facing towards the light above. For a little variation in the armor, the lens and the visor, I start off with royal blue just to get that shadow color in there. Now that the base coat is down, I went around all of the blue with Celestial Blue. This just brightens everything up and I leave that darker tone in all of the recesses between the panels. To finish off the blue, I touched up the upper part and center of the visor with Seafarer blue. As with all of my Halo minis, the base gets started with a quick once over of Scabbard brown. My battery died 2/3 of the way into this, but I think you get the gist of what I was doing. Getting a little variation onto the base, I dry brushed on some Manticore Ochre, picking up just the raised tips of the texture. Finishing off the base, I gave it a wash with Archaic Sepia wash. And that would be it for the Mark VII Spartan. I like how the armor came out. I think now I've done a few minis in this style of armor, I do like how they're done. But I'm also contemplating adding a black wash over them just to darken down those recesses a little more without sort of dimming down any of the color. Might give that a go in the future once I have one that I can actually sacrifice. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. If you want to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just some painting supplies, I have an affiliate link to Wayland Games in the description. To get a closer look at this mini, you can check out my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.